Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So, man, feels real good outside, man. So we outside today. We outside about this nice little swing for the front yard. You know what I'm saying? And this guy over here, interrupting me while I'm trying to make this video. But that's why we got the mic for the sound quality, so you guys can hear me better while we outside. And hopefully, this guy don't last too long. Buzzing his weeds or grass, whatever you guys want to call it. So. But yeah, if you guys are here, it's because you guys are subbed to the channel or you guys are new. And if you guys are new, just go hit that subscribe button because your voice is growing. I'm slowly growing. I'm showing progress every single day. I'm getting views. I'm excited over that. I'm getting motivated, and y'all motivating me. So I'm gonna continue, putting in the work, and it's showing. It's definitely showing. So I'm gonna continue grinding. So if you guys haven't already, go hit the subscribe button. And if you like the videos, give me a thumbs up, because it really helps out the algorithm for this YouTube stuff. And I need to get my stats up. I need to grow. While I grow, you guys grow. You guys get some knowledge from me, and I'll grow with y'all too. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Um, so like I promised you guys in I think two videos ago, I think I promised you guys that I was gonna make a video about Navy Federal. Navy Federal is the best bank, honestly, probably the best bank, the best credit union, and I think that even probably to me it surpasses just the big corporation banks, only because you know the the auto loan terms are always the best. Hands down when it comes to credit cards, hands down. Personal loans, hands down. If you even, I'm sure you can look it up, you can Google it, and it's gonna pop up saying they're the best in the business. So we talking about cars, so we're gonna go with the auto loan. We're gonna talk about this. So the one thing I would say is that Navy Federal is kind of tougher to get into because it's a membership. You have to get into the banking system. So you have to be able to basically qualify to get into the bank, and we're gonna go over that, to help you guys qualify. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can just comment down below, and I'll try to answer them. And I've been a member for a long time, so I can definitely help out. So the goal in the video is basically gonna be we're gonna help you guys achieve your dream, dream car, because this is what we talk about. We try to get cars. We want to look cool, we want to drive cool, and we want to be cool. So the goal is to get your dream car, and that's my goal for you guys. Your goal for me, hopefully. So let's talk about this. So the number one thing is we're gonna talk about membership eligibility, because some people can't get in, some people can, but there's also little like secrets, like little, not secrets, but like little hacks on how to get in that most people don't know about. So the number one way to get in is obviously you need to have a family member that was either prior military or still in. That could be considered a parent, brother, sister, obviously, aunt, uncle. You have a cousin, grandparents. Even if you're your son, anyone that's related to you, blood related, you can definitely get in. That's gonna be the easiest way to get in. And also, you're just gonna need documentation from that. So if they ask, sometimes you just gotta provide a social, or you can even just provide a letter saying, hey, I was prior service, or I'm in right now, or ID, and that obviously that's gonna work. So that's gonna be your number one thing. So that's number one. Number two is DOD. Someone that's in the DOD, which is Departments of Defense. So it could be a civilian that worked for the government. You're able to get into the membership program by that. So anyone that has a U.S. government ID, if you have a family member with that as well, you can. From what I heard, you can get in, and from what I'm reading, it says you can get in as well. So that's a number two. And the last way to get in, which it's pretty, I'd say it's probably one of the hacks that most people don't talk about, is you can have either a friend, or someone that that kind of hook you up. So that's basically talking about, say we live in the same household, which, for example, I did, my wife, which before we were just dating, and I got her in. Just this is when we first met. She lived with me. She started living with me for like a month, and I already put. She basically changed her address. Her home, not home of record, but like her address to where I live, and then that shows that we're roommates, basically, kind of like, so that you can use that thing as roommates. So you can do that as well. So that's, you have somebody, just tell them, hey, yo, can I use your address? You send one letter. All you need, I think, is either one or two documents. So you can just do that. Honestly, that's probably the easiest way if you have no one that's like in the military. So I would highly recommend doing that. Go that route. Just if you have a friend that's in the military or just anything, just try to forward your address to there just for like a month. Just to get two little, um, if you move in with somebody, then that's a plus two. But yeah, that's just gonna be the third way. That's gonna be the last way on how you can get in, and that's probably the easiest way if you don't know anyone that's in the military. And that's gonna be, it's gonna benefit you guys in the long run because you will be a Navy Federal Credit Union member. So that's a goal. All right, guys. So now let's talk about once you become a member. We already got rid of that. Once you become a member is game over. Sometimes if you already have a loan in the past with a different bank, sometimes that will kind of help you out because it shows that you're responsible enough to pay off a loan, or you've had a loan that you were successful with. Either you didn't pay it off or you sold it. Whatever. As long as you don't have nothing negative, you'll be fine. But one of the pluses with Navy Federal is that they don't really go off by credit scores. They go off by like your membership. They have like an internal credit score, which is like really beneficial because as long as you have a good relationship with Navy Federal, you're pretty much solid. As long as you don't do nothing bad, you don't do negative, have like negative stuff on your, within like the membership itself. You haven't messed up with them. They gonna loan you pretty much anything from a personal loan, credit card, and then obviously auto loan. So that's like the best thing about, it's like it's called a relationship bank. As long as you build a good relationship with them, they're just gonna keep hooking you up. So that's the biggest plus out of versus any other bank. You can't beat that. As long as you have a good relationship with them, you're solid. And you got to be driving that Lambo, that GTR, that whatever car y'all want. Those are gonna be the cars that you guys always dream of, and you guys are gonna achieve it with Navy Federal. Trust me on that. I highly believe in that. I truly do. So once you build that relationship and you're ready to go and pull the trigger with it, the best thing is that you can apply online and you get an answer within seconds. Trust me, I've gotten like, I remember I wanted a truck, and I really wanted an F-150. I had a Type R with Capital One, and then I ended up trading it in. And within like less than 2-3 minutes, I put all the information on the F-150 that I had, and boom, within like a minute or two, I already got approved. I got that pre-approval, and all I had to do was just go pick up the check, took the check, and then just took it straight to the dealership, and boom, the car was mine. I drove off the lot within like less than an hour. So that's definitely a plus. So if you have like, I just say, if, as long as you have a good relationship, and with them, and you have you got some money to back it up, um, you won't get any car you guys want, as long as you take care of your business when it comes to finances. And it's always guaranteed. You'll always get an answer like that online. You can do it on the app, which is a plus. And interest rates are the best compared to any other bank. They are the lowest. I guarantee you, they are the lowest. And even when it comes to refinancing, they're gonna be the lowest. Sometimes they even pay you. They'll pay you. I think I saw like $200 if you refinance with them. Sometimes you're getting free money just to refinance with another bank, and you don't get a lower interest rate. You can't beat that, man. You really can't. So that is why I say Navy Federal is the best bank. Lower interest rate, you get approval within seconds. Um, they're just overall the best bank, man. That's all I can say. As long as you guys try it out, give it a shot. You know, become a member. If you guys have any questions, you guys can comment down below, and I'll help you guys out. I've been a member for I don't even know how long. I've been a member for since 2010, I think. Actually, no, I've been a member since 2008. That's a long time, man. That's a long time. So I'm kind of a veteran in the Navy Fed game. And I've always put people on. Even when I was in the Army, I would put soldiers on. I'd be the first thing I do, yo, switch over to Navy Federal, man. Y'all gonna get these guarantees. But another example, man. One of my boys just got approved for well, this not recently. It was probably like maybe a year or two ago. He got an M3 CS, brand new. Got the check. He applied for it. Got the check within like a day. He went straight to the dealership, and boom, like that. You know, an M3 CS, brand new. Drove it off the lot. Tell me you can't beat that. That's Navy Federal for you. And if you're looking for credit cards, I'm gonna just throw credit card, advice in there too. I got like 2-day federal, 3-day federal credit cards. I can't remember. But they're quick. They got a pre-approval, so it won't affect your score. You can just put in whatever you got. Boom, they'll pre-approve you for whatever cards they got. And they got like several different credit cards that are really good. Um, and they give really high credit limits, especially if you got a good relationship with them. You guys can easily get that. Y'all can get blessed up. So go ahead, give it a shot, man. And if you guys enjoy this, banking content, for auto loans, give me a thumbs up, and I'm gonna keep showing you. There's other banks I got in mind if you guys want to achieve that dream car, y'all, or whatever, financial stuff that going on. I help you guys out. Been there, done that, and I'm gonna keep showing y'all what I know, so then you guys can know it too, and maybe I can learn something from y'all. So if you guys enjoying this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.